Okay, today we're gonna look into how to use the icon composer correctly and not have icons that are too big and look weird. Here's an example of Full Suite FM, really cool app, recommend it, but their icon way too big for the dock. So what happened is easily explained. They probably just designed their icon and then dropped it into Xcode resources without remembering that there's actually like a safe area around it before a Mac Tahoe came around, because there are some icons like Xcode and other apps that actually have their icons go over these like safe areas, so it looks like it's going out of this squircle. And since Tahoe, we have the squircle jail. So here's how to fix this. I wrote this post already about it, but I thought I'd also show it in video form. Basically, is you just use icon composer, and then you can drag and drop the icon composer file that you get into your project. So this is like an Xcode project, and you can see instead of having the icon in assets, we just put it into just drag and drop the app icon file that we get from Composer in here, and then we can directly edit it from here, which also has the advantage that if we change something here, we immediately get it saved in Xcode, and we can check it into Git, so we don't lose the change and always have the latest version. I found this to be extremely easy. Like, they made it really simple to do with Icon Composer, but not a lot of developers seem to be using it yet, or not in the right way. So yeah, this is all I wanted to show. Use Icon Composer. You can see this is the app you're getting from the Icon Composer, the icon. Drag it into your project, and you get this. You get this little preview. It gets rendered perfectly. It gets made smaller for previous operating systems, and for others it just shows perfectly. So that's what you should do. That's what you have to do to prevent something like this poolside FM mishap happening to you. I hope that was helpful. I'm going to link to this blog post as well, so you can go through it again and learn how to fix this problem properly.